It's like, what the fuck are you doing? I want to show everybody your babies. So basically over here, oh yeah, you gotta see how it looks. So this is where we hang all our shit. And these fucking robins, man. Can you see them? Oh, you sweet babies. Stand up over here, see if I can get a better picture. Little birdies. Doesn't get any realer than that. So I'll let Mama get back to her business. She's like, what the fuck are you doing with my babies? There she goes. Where'd she go, babe? So, no, that's a different bird. I can hear her. Yeah. She knows she picked a bad spot. That's really not a good area to put your babies. But we're being respectful, so yeah.